everyone, Jerome here. I'm going to show you how to edit the three-part Christmas ornament that I uploaded to MakerWorld. It's supposed to be a straightforward text change, but because MakerWorld wouldn't let me upload the file, or because I was getting an error in uploading the file, I had to merge the two objects into one object. So it's now a single object, and you can still edit it this way by double clicking the text and then hold on, double clicking the text and then replacing the text with your name or your dog's name or whatever. And then you can change the font. Now, the problem with editing it this way is that since this is a merged object, when you start to move the text around, it will snap the middle or the yellow point here will snap into the bottom object, and you can no longer adjust the font the way you like it. So let's go ahead and delete that font or delete that text and then just create a new one. Oops. There we go. So I got the new text, and then let's go back and find the font that I used. Okay. Let's go ahead and use this one. So you just have to make sure that once, let me change the text first to my name. There we go. And then, and I'd like to see this slightly bigger, maybe 18, not too big, 16. There we go. So once you have your text, you just have to make sure that the bottom portion of the text, this part here, overlaps with the line. Not too much, but make sure there's a big piece of your text that overlaps the line, because if you don't overlap it to the bottom line here, the once you start printing the file, the text will come off easily, or it will just stick to the build plate and not adhere to the um, front object of your 3D ornament. So once you have that, you can go ahead and slice. And then this is what I'm talking about, that it creates this error. Conflicts of G-code paths have been found at layer 8. So it's this one because it overlaps the bottom object and creating that error. This is also the reason why I couldn't upload this to MakerWorld as is, because of this error. So I had to merge the object. But if you're just printing it at home, go ahead and just print. And it's also easier to change the font after the fact, or the text after the fact that it's no longer merged. So I'll change this with my wife's name. There you go. And then make sure it overlaps the bottom part. All right, hope that helps. And happy printing, guys. I'll see you on the next round.